Hey guys, good evening. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's Sol here. I'm just gonna show you guys today how to get your autoresponder set up with Big Idea Mastermind, and I guess I'll just start by explaining what exactly an autoresponder is. All right. So pretty much, it's just an automated emailing system that you can set up. There's multiple, different softwares, companies that you can use to do this. The one that I'm going to be showing you guys today is GetResponse. Just because this is what Vic recommends in Big Idea Mastermind. It's very integrated very well with GetResponse. But there are other programs out there if you want to look into that. So pretty much how these automated emails work is that you have your landing pages out floating around online, and whenever you're getting traffic to them, and somebody looks on, sees it, and they like what you have to say, they're going to put in their email to that page. And what's going to happen is whoever signs up for that email is going to start getting automated responses from you from your GetResponse. So most of the time this takes a lot of time and effort to set up because you need content. You need to learn how to do it. But luckily for us, if you guys are in Big Idea Mastermind, Vic set up more than a month's worth of automated messages, and obviously he's very successful in what he does. So it's something that we can rely on, and we can kind of use and replicate. But anyways, so yeah, first now I'm just gonna kind of jump into how exactly you're gonna set this thing up. So it's kind of just going to be set up into 4 simple steps. Alright, so 1, you're just going to, register for, alright, I'm sure some of you guys have already done that, but if you haven't, just go ahead and pause the video and do that now. The next part is going to be okay, then you got your alright, so then you're going to set up your predefined fields, and finally you're going to just load the campaign onto the GetResponse. You're going to go to your dashboard. Alright, you can go to current, you're going to go to your current campaign right here in this upper right hand corner, and you're going to want to create a new campaign. Since anything along the idea of Big Idea Mastermind, so I've already been playing around with it a little bit. Alright, so let's see if this is saving. Alright, so I called it Big Idea Masterminded. Okay. So right when you create your campaign, you're going to want to go directly to edit your campaign settings. I'm going to show you what's important. First, you're going to want to click this little thing called campaign email address. You're going to want to, it's going to look a little bit more official if you have your campaign name attached to it. So, instead of sending it from solcam@safehouseprosperity or solcam@gmail, it's going to send it from this, which kind of looks more official. Vic kind of said, he turns these off if you want to get those notifications or not. Another important thing is to go to permissions and to uncheck these. I think this is for either a single opt-in or a double opt-in option, but we want to stick with single option for this. So, alright, so next, those are all the settings essentially that you're going to want to change. Kind of play around with the other stuff, but that's the important stuff. Okay, then Next, we're going to go to the actual web form, create a web form, and you're actually going to get rid of all, you're going to just scroll down, you can kind of look at the stuff if you want, play around with it, but essentially we're going to get rid of everything except for the email address. Because we're not actually using this. We're just going to use the sign up portion, to grab the people's emails. So after you create that, you can make a web form name, whatever it is. Okay. You want to go down to thank you. Change this to custom thank you page. What a thank you page is essentially where they're redirected after they submit their information, their email. Okay. So Vic has provided us with the link that he wants us to send them to, which is http:// blah blah big idea mastermind.com/secret. Okay. So you just type that in, and then you're going to save that and go on to the next step. Okay. And I'll just show you guys what that page is, bigideamastermind.com/secret. So, it's just another informational page with Vic talking. Okay. Just talking about, his success formula, their secret formula. Okay.
So think about this life.
So next we're going to go over here, and I'm just going to show you guys how to get the proper code. So you're going to press I will install my web form, show HTML code, you're going to turn off the CSS styles, then you're just going to select all, copy, and you're just going to go into your Big Idea Mastermind account, go to step 2, and you're going to enter this information here. So obviously I've already done this, so that's why it's already there. Okay, but you can go ahead and do that and pause the video if you need to. Okay. So next, we have our predefined field setup. And make sure you press save on here, by the way. Okay. So predefined field setup. And again, if you log into your Big Idea Mastermind account, you scroll down and you see all of these, this is the names of the emails, and then all those various links that might be in them. Okay. So how you're gonna link? You're gonna want to put all of this that you have in your Big Idea Mastermind into your GetResponse. Because this is essentially the emails that Vic has set up for us. Okay. So we're gonna go up here, and we need to go under campaign. Okay, so you just go to here, you go to predefined fields, and okay, so first you have to make sure that you're in the correct campaign. So I see that I'm in Big Idea Masterminded, okay, and then at the bottom of the options you're going to see predefined fields. So that's where you click. And then this is where you just, you're just going to play a little game of copy and paste. Make sure that, you don't have any spaces in front or behind, extra spaces, because, apparently that can ruin everything. And then you're just going to, literally just copy and paste everything. Okay? So, I add that. There it is. It shows up. Okay? Literally, do the same exact thing all the way down. You're just preloading all of the messages that Vic has already made. Okay, so you guys can pause the video and just take a couple minutes to do that. I'm just going to stop here because I've already done it to my other one. Okay, so finally, I'm just going to go to my other account and show you guys how to finish this off. Okay, So here you can see all my messages are loaded. Okay. How you're gonna finish loading the campaign? It's the final step. Okay, you're gonna go to choose campaign, big idea succeed in, which was what I initially made. Campaign name, which is actually provided right down here. It's called BIM Team Campaign. Okay, no password. Okay, it pops up because I already did that one time. Okay, so sorry it took a while to load there, but you're also going to switch your destination campaign to the same one. And I'm just going to change this to the Gmail for now, since you know we don't want to really associate Safe House Prosperity with Big Idea Mastermind, directly, since we are using all of Vic's emails and everything. So anyway, so then after that you just press copy all. Okay. And go up here to messages, go to manage autoresponders. Yeah, this is just a great way for us to get started, start building up some subscribers, and we've got the resources out there, so we might as well make use of them. But I hope you guys learned something today, and have a good one.